So today we're going to replace the air filter on this air purifier. So guys, and gals, we got 3 of them in here. We have our pre-filter right here, which is a necessity, but we just use some of Blackwater's discs. If you need those, talk to me. I'll cut you some. Then all you gotta do is undo this latch to open it up. So like I said, right here we have the pre-filters. These, as long as the air can pass through, they're good. So this one's dirty, but it can still run for a bit. Just when they get clogged, replace them. Next, you can see here we have a carbon filter. This just when it obviously gets blocked or stuff like that, it needs replaced. And then we have the HEPA filter. And now the HEPA filter has a nice little light on top. I'll tell you when it needs to be replaced. So when this is lights on, you need to replace that HEPA filter. So replace that HEPA filter. It's pretty easy. You just put this in. This is a real important thing. Is there is an airflow marker on here, so make sure the airflow matches this. So basically it sucks in air, so make sure the airflow goes that way. It's that easy. And then if you need to change this, it just has these clipboard things. You can lift it up and then just pull it out like that. As easy as that. Putting it back in, I got a little tip that I find helpful, which is to just use a pen, because my fingers are fat. So put a pen in there. Slide back in, and then this is where it gets a little finicky. The pen, there, and then boom. That's all it takes, and hopefully you don't get lung cancer.